ready? Go. Okay, guys. So we handed out all the rubrics, and you guys have the self-assessment that we're not working on yet. Pay attention real quick while we go over the rubric, and then we will get going on that self-assessment. Okay? So, as you guys know, last class period, we went over the dive unit. Okay? And we have the 5 main points of dive in there, and the learning goal was for the students, you guys, to be able to model the learned technique of diving. Okay? Now there are 5 things that we went over that are key aspects to the dive. We have the hands are placed on top of each other with the thumb grasping underneath the other hand. Staggered feet in your stance with your toes gripping the ledge, so on and so forth. Okay. There's also 5 key elements to every stroke that we went over. So that covers the freestyle, the breaststroke, the elementary backstroke, and the backstroke. So altogether, that's 20 questions, or 25 questions, 4 strokes and 1 dive lesson, right? So there's 25 questions there, and then we have 11 academic vocabulary swim terms that we also have, which makes up 36 total questions. That's why this self-assessment is going to be 36 questions. Okay? Now for each portion, if you score a 4 out of 5, that means you're meeting the learning goal. So that also means if you get a 5 out of 5 on, say, the freestyle unit, you're exceeding the learning goal for that particular portion of the unit. And if you get a 3 or lower, then you're not meeting the learning goal. So this self-assessment is meant for you guys to track how you are doing within the unit. Okay? So shoot for a 4 out of 5. If you can get a 5 out of 5, that's great. Now we can get started on your self-assessment. Go ahead and get started. Chantal? An encore, that's where you're bringing your hands over, but there's different types. So like, on the freestyle, it's this type. But then the breaststroke is this. So the arm pull is just the arm motion. Does that make sense? Yes, Georgiana?
So for this one, I forgot what position your elbow should be in during the portion of the arm pull, like when your hand is pulling the water.
So when you're freestyling, swimming, going like this, right? And then does your arm go down here, or does it go across here, or does it go out here?
No, like it goes like down.
Down.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, okay.
What about now?